In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shuffle question order in Google Forms. If you want each person filling out your form to see questions in a different order, shuffling is a simple built-in feature that helps reduce answer sharing, keeps quizzes fresh, and makes surveys feel more dynamic. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and what it changes, so you can turn it on with confidence. First, open your Google form. You can open an existing form you want to edit, or a new draft you've already started. Make sure you're looking at the editor view, where you can add and adjust questions. Next, look toward the top center of the screen for the tabs labeled Questions, Responses, and Settings. Click Settings. This is where Google Forms groups all the controls that affect how the form behaves for respondents. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Presentation. This section controls how the form is displayed to people who fill it out. It includes options such as the progress bar, confirmation message, and the one we want today. Now, check the box that says Shuffle Question Order. The moment you enable this, Google Forms will randomize the order of the questions each time someone opens the form. There's no extra save button to press. Your change is applied automatically. Here are a few helpful notes about what this setting does and doesn't do. Shuffling affects the order of questions within each section of your form, but it does not change the order of sections themselves. So, if you use multiple sections to organize different topics or to create a flow, that structure stays intact. Also, this setting only shuffles entire questions. It does not shuffle the choices within a multiple choice or checkbox question. If you need the answer choices themselves to appear in a random order, that is a separate control available inside each individual question. Be mindful of forms where question order is important. If you have instructions that refer to the next question, or you're using a sequence that builds on previous answers, shuffling may create confusion. Similarly, if you rely on conditional logic or section-based navigation that assumes a specific order, consider leaving shuffling off in those areas. That's all there is to it. Open your form, go to Settings, choose Presentation, and check Shuffle Question Order. From now on, each respondent will see your questions in a different order, helping you collect more reliable and unbiased responses.